Welcome to the Zino tutorial video, Flight Control, Gimbal, Video Firmware Upgrade Procedure. Flight Control Firmware Upgrade. Download the upgrade tools from www.hubsan.com in Support tab and scroll down to download the tools onto your computer. Extract the tools and open the upgrade tool. Connect Zino to your computer with a USB cable. Do not connect the aircraft to its battery. Wait for the upgrade tool to show connected at the lower right corner, indicating a successful connection. Click on Open File in the FC Program section. Select Zino Flight Controller Upgrade File. Hit Upgrade to start the upgrade process. The progress bar will display 100% once the upgrade is complete. Gimbal Firmware Upgrade. Connect the aircraft to its battery and power on the aircraft. Reconnect the aircraft to your computer with a USB cable. Wait for the upgrade tool to show connected at the lower right corner, indicating a successful connection. Click on Open File in the Gimbal Program section. Select Zino Gimbal Upgrade File. Hit Upgrade to start upgrade process. The progress bar will display 100% once the upgrade is complete. Video Firmware Upgrade. Download the upgrade tools. Extract files and copy the files to SD card root directory. After copying, insert the SD card with the chips facing up. Connect the aircraft to its battery and power on the aircraft. Then the aircraft will start the video firmware upgrade by itself. During the upgrade process, the LED indicator on the left side of the SD card slot will flash in red. After the upgrade is complete, the LED indicator will stay solid or off. Check your firmware version on your app to see if it shows the latest version.